Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. And you see I don't have makeup because I'm gonna start with a bare face, and what I'm gonna use first is the brown makeup, the brown eyeshadow, just to lay out um, the area of my face where I'm gonna concentrate with the skull makeup. And now I'm using the lighter foundation, and I'm applying it to my cheekbone and to the area of the skin where I'm going to concentrate with the highlight. Now I'm using this black liquid eyeliner just to make some markings where I'm gonna put my skull teeth, and just to make a layout so I know where I have to place all the crystal teeth or tooth. And now I'm using this white color pencil just to make a highlights as the imaginary teeth of the skull. Now I'm using this color black pencil just to shade a darker color of the hollow of my cheek to emphasize the, the skull figure of the face. And now shading for the nose. And now I'm gonna use the brown brown eyeshadow just to emphasize the face, and I'm making some imaginary crack for the skull. As you can see, I am now placing all the crystal teeth to finish this look. So guys, this is my version, the Queen of the Damn Skull Makeup. I hope you like it and happy Halloween. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.